Drinking lime water can offer several potential benefits for your health. Here we discuss some of the key benefits associated with consuming lime water for healthy life. Hydration. Lime water serves as a refreshing and flavorful way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Staying properly hydrated is important for maintaining overall health and supporting bodily functions. Lime is rich in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient known for its antioxidant properties. Vitamin C helps support the immune system, promotes collagen synthesis for healthy skin, and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Lime water may assist in digestion. The acidity of lime juice can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, supporting the breakdown of food and facilitating smoother digestion. Lime water is low in calories and a healthier alternative to sugary beverages. Replacing high-calorie or sugary drinks with lime water can help reduce calorie intake and support weight management goals. The vitamin C content in lime water contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen synthesis and protecting against oxidative stress. Drinking lime water may help maintain skin elasticity, reduce signs of aging, and support a clear complexion. Consuming lime water may help balance the body's pH levels and promote an alkaline environment, which is believed to have positive effects on overall health.